Now I'll contour Leomi. Since she has a deeper skin tone, I'm going to start by highlighting. I'm going to start with a matte highlight using Match Stix Matte Skinsticks in Cocoa. I've already prepped her skin with Pro FILT'R primer and foundation in shade 440. Cocoa might be somebody else's contour, but for Leomi, it will be her highlight. I'm applying it to parts of the face that I want to brighten and bring forward. I'm applying it in triangles beneath her eyes, at her forehead, and chin. Applying the highlighter here also brings out her amazing cheekbones. Now I'm going to add Leomi's contour with Match Stix Matte Skinsticks in Espresso. Remember to always blend upward to create a visual lift. Blending is so easy with this portable contour and concealer brush. You can get right under the cheekbone, right on the temple, under the jawbone, and it even works perfectly right down the bridge of the nose. So we've contoured the temples, under the cheekbones, down the nose. You can do under the jaw, anywhere where you want a deepening effect to happen. It's all about light and shadow. Now I'm gonna add on the shimmer highlight in Rum. You can tap it on with your finger or use the portable highlighter brush. I love applying highlighter with this brush, but sometimes a little tap with the finger just finishes it off beautifully.